To create a custom field, click on Add Custom Field. Enter the custom field name. Select a field type. We support multiple custom field types. String basically means the value can be alphanumeric, and then click on Save. Let us create another custom field which can be only number. So let it be age, and then we'll simply select number. So the age custom field will only allow numbers in the value. Then click on Save. Let us create another custom field which would be birth date. So here you can have the option of date. If you select periodic, then you have the option either it is annual or monthly. So birth dates are annual, so we simply select annual and then click on Save. Now let us again create a custom field named as renewal date or monthly renewal date. Now if you run a subscription business, you'll have your users renew every month. That you can store in a field type as date, and then again it will be periodic, but now it will be a monthly periodic date. Then click on Save. So this is how you can create custom fields. Thank you.